Hello guys, let's talk today about this Wyze lamp socket. It's very useful if you have a Wyze cam. You can just connect anywhere when you can just attach this to a socket. Okay, so it's pretty easy to use. Let's just open up here and see what's inside. Okay, so here we go. It comes with some paperwork, with network settings, so some instructions on how to use it. It's basically a quick start guide, right? So with the quick start guide, and let me just take a look here what's inside. So here we go. That's the product. Pretty good, right? So basically you're gonna use this part here to go to the socket, and then you're going to connect here this port. You can open up here. It's a USB connection. So you basically connect this to the cable that of course comes here in the box, and you're ready to go. Then you can power the camera from here. So basically the socket is gonna be powered here, okay, and it's going to send the power here, and you can have your lamp here, your light bulb here, regularly, right? So let me just take a look here what I have, the accessories. So here we go. Oh, this is interesting. Do not turn off. So if you have like a switch that it can turn the light off, you can just put it there, so nobody's going to turn off the switch, which is better, right? You don't want your camera stop working. And here we have some more accessories. Let me just remove from this box. Not that easy to remove it. Here we go. Oh, here we go. I have the cable. Okay, that's the cable that you're going to connect here to the socket. Okay, so basically, as I was saying, you have one part here that's a USB. Here we go. This part is the USB. Then you just connect here to the socket. The other side, I believe, right? There is a correct side here to connect, of course. Yes, USB connection. Here we go. Pretty interesting. As you can see here, it fits perfectly. Okay, so it's designed to fit here perfectly. Works pretty good. And then the other side, you're gonna see, of course, you're gonna connect here to your Wyze cam. Okay, so pretty good, pretty easy to use. What else I have here? So you have here some some screws and anchors, right? If you wanted to connect to install this somewhere, you have some screws and anchors. It's not anchors, in fact it's something to hold the cable in place. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, you can hold the cable in place here using this one. So pretty good, pretty easy. So that's it. A lot of things here. So you have the box, you have those things to keep the cable in place, the cable to connect to your camera, this thing here to do not turn off your camera, and the box that brings everything inside. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this helps. So it's just a quick unbox, okay, but I hope you like it.